I'm Jenny Nye, Director of Business Development for Alloy Wheel Repair Specialists. We're here at SEMA having a fantastic show where we are exhibiting our mobile reconditioning facility. We are a full-service wheel repair company. We offer on-site mobile repair as well as remanufacturing services, including powder coating, and we also sell OEM remanufactured wheels all over the United States. We're in 46 states and 17 countries. We service auto dealerships, collision shops, tire stores, auto auctions, rental car agencies, automotive repair centers, and also the end consumer. We also specialize in wheel personalization and can paint your wheels any color you'd like to have. You can find your closest AWRS certified professional wheel repair technician by logging on to our website at awrswheelrepair.com.